doing hair tonight. Hi you guys, welcome to my channel, Shayspectrum. If you are new here, hello, welcome. Make sure that you leave me a comment down below letting me know where you're from and what you're interested in seeing. If you are a returning subscriber, shout out to you. Hey family, I know this is a different setup at the back. We are doing something different. I am out of town right now seeing my brother graduate from high school, whoop whoop. And so I have some of my family members joining. To my far right is my younger sister. To my behind is my cousin Kamari. And then to my very far left is my grandmother. Today we are going to be doing wash, stop, and goes on all three of them. It's so huge, and so I am excited for y'all to see all of this and how it comes out on three different textures, lengths, ages, everything. So stay tuned to this video. If you are new, subscribe. If you are returning, share, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so the audio hopefully is not super off. But I am in a bigger space today, and so you probably will hear some echo. But for right now, I'm gonna go and show y'all the different textures of each person's hair. Okay, come on, I'm gonna go over to you. Kamari. Okay, Kamari, you're up next. Okay, so first off is my younger sister. And her hair is at a shorter texture, which is fine. Her texture is more of a 4B, 4C. For my cousin Kamari's hair, her hair is also more of a 4B, 4C, except she has a longer hair length. And so I'm excited to see also what her hair is gonna come out looking like once we do this process. And then lastly, my grandma's hair is also a 4B, 4C length hair. Her hair is shorter than my cousin's, but again, we all have a similar hair texture, and so that's gonna play a part in what this wash, stop, and go is gonna look like. Okay guys, throughout this video, you are going to hear me do some voiceovers just for the simple fact that I couldn't do their hair and also like communicate at the same time. It was just too much going on with having three heads. And so as y'all can see, I am using a wide tooth comb to complete the detangling process. Y'all know that I also do this in my wash, stop, and go processes, and it makes it so much more better whenever you get ready to apply products and whenever you decide to use the method of like shingling or raking and doing praying hands method. It just helps so much with product application. And so you're going to see that I do this on each one of their leave out sections of hair that I've sectioned to just make sure that each piece of hair is completely straight and ready for the product application. When I start applying the first product, I am going to be using the Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream. I'm going to use this on each one of their open sections of hair first. And then I'm going to be following up with a cream, which y'all will see come later on in the video. So I will let y'all see this process, listen to some music, and then I'll chime back in after that. So now I'm going to go in with the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. Y'all know that I love this curling cream whenever it comes to my wash, stop, and go. So I'm excited to see what it's going to look like on all three of their hair. As y'all can see, I do have several videos kind of going on at one time just to save time in the video, but also make sure that y'all can really see how I was applying the product to each person's hair, because depending on the length and the texture
and just everything. I was doing it a little bit differently for everyone. As y'all can see from my little sister, her hair had a different texture to it, which is completely fine. But I did have some struggles with that, as y'all can see in the video, but y'all will see later on in the video what I decide to do. Next, I'm going to go in with the Eco Style Gel in the green container of the olive oil kind. I love this one. I've used this so many times in my hair, and so of course I'm going to use that in their hair as well. Again, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all watch this process. I will be doing the raking method followed by the praying hands. And so I'll let y'all see that, listen to some music, and then I'll chime back in following. Now that I've applied all the products to their back sections, I wanted to go ahead and give y'all a quick texture shot of what each hair is looking like. Following, I'm going to go into the front sections where I'm going to use the same product. So you'll see the Cantu leave-in conditioning with the coconut curling cream as well as the Eco Style, except I'm now applying this at the front section. Y'all, I don't know if y'all have been watching. Well, I guess y'all seen their backs at first, but now y'all are going to start seeing the fronts. And so you might see my cousins and my sister doing some of the craziest things. Y'all, they were so camera shy and laughing and being goofy. It was hilarious. But I know that's not all of what y'all are here for. But just in case y'all see that, it is literally just them having a blast on camera. And so I'm going to continue to apply the products like I did in the last video for the back sides of their hair. Only this time I'm going to be doing it at the front. So I'll let y'all listen to some mirror music and then I'll pop back in again. Alright guys, so now that I've applied all of the product, y'all know that we sit under the dryer over here, and I love using this. So easy to use dryer. I actually use a different brand. I believe it's the Eco brand. I'll have to put that down in the tips below. But now y'all can see what the final results were. My cousin's hair came out so beautiful and so gorgeous, and I was really happy with her results. And she was also very happy with her results that she had, as y'all can see. And so I was really like just in love with all the volume that she had and even the length. Next up was my grandmother. Her hair also came out really good, but she does still have some straight pieces in her hair, as she did previously perm her hair. And so I understand why some of her pieces were curly. It was very curly, like at the base and at the root of her hair. But there were some parts in the front that had more of a like wave texture and straight texture. And so I wanted to give y'all several shots of her hair. It came out so good in my opinion, with the fact that she does have some permed hair in her hair. As y'all can see from my sister, y'all, it was a fail. It did not come out right. Like the product like dried and like built up. I don't know what was going on, but y'all knew I could not let my sister go out like that, okay? So I ended up doing her hair again the next day, and we did a twist out, which worked out so much better with her hair. So I'm going to let y'all see that process. I use the exact same products in the exact same order, only this time I decided to twist, and then as y'all can see at some point in the video, we're going to go and sit under the dryer. And y'all, it worked so much more better. So I'm going to let y'all watch this process as well, give y'all some more music, and then I'll jump back in after.
I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Say rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.
Alright guys, so that is the final add of product as well as the twist. Y'all can really see the length in my sister's hair with doing a twist out. I'm next going to apply some vitamin E oil to her scalp, just because she is going to sit under the dryer, and I feel like it'll be really good to just give her like a hot oil treatment all at the same time, and making sure that that oil actually penetrates the scalp. And so we're going to sit under the dryer per usual, and then we will come back with the final look of what her hair results were like.